we're going to be swapping out our incandescent bulbs in our 2021 RAV4 with some LEDs that we got off Amazon. Also, it comes with pretty good instructions as far as what placement. The kit also comes with a orange BRITE tool, and then we'll also be using some other ones if we need them. All right, we're going to start on these upper map lights. I already started pulling on it. Put your tool in here and give it a good yank. Once you get this down, these are going to be what holds your bulbs in place. Go ahead and remove this bulb. They're like a blade type. Grab one from the kit. So slide that down in the hole. It has 5 lights on top. And go ahead. So go ahead and we will repeat the process on the driver's side. So now we're just going to put this back up into place. Pins aligning in the back. One end, two. Driver's side light. You just want to push in, and then there's a clip that you just kind of push in. You got the bulb with the retainer on one side. You want to push on this side. If you start to pry and you see the gray, then go to the other side. This bulb assembly is held in with just these clips right here. It's easier for me to pull the lens off and then pull the bulb out, and then we'll just reverse it. Alright, so we'll clip this back in place just like that. Back up in there. Done. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do the passenger vanity light. So it's up in there, and you just push. Okay, so that is the front. We are going to work on taking the dome light down. So I finally got this in place. It's got a metal spring clip that connects the circuit over, and generally while you're pulling it out, you pull on that tab and let it fall down, and then you just reverse it back in. It's going to be in the cargo area, the yellow. Different. Alright. Now we just pull this outer bulb housing, unclip it from the switch, and then we can get to our bulb. A lot nicer in here now that you can kind of see everything. Alright guys, we'll catch you on the next video.